Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a vegan chili coleslaw. So on the chopping board today we've got 1 white cabbage, 1 red onion, some pak choi, 1 peeled carrot, some coriander for the garnish, obviously our vegan mayonnaise, and 2 red chilies. Right, to start, white cabbage. All we're going to do, cut roughly down the middle, put 1 bit to one side. Now with this we're just going to peel back these leaves here, like that. Stalk, cut at a diagonal. That all comes off there completely. 2 things behind the middle, I'm going to cut down. Now what we're going to do with this, we're just going to put this to one side. Then we're going to get our pak choi, and what we're going to do is we're just going to peel back the leaves like that. We're going to use about 3 of these ones, and we're going to put those with the cabbage. Now, what we're going to do with this is we're just going to boil it down for about 2 minutes just to soften up all the leaves and soften up a bit of the cabbage as well. Next up is the red onion. Same process, cut down the middle. We're only going to be using 1/2, so we'll put the other half to the side. Cut that bit off there. Now the only reason I'm keeping the stalk on is it makes it easier to cut. I'm just going to peel back that top layer. Now we're going to cut down. Right, onion done. Pop that to one side. Right, next the chili. Now we're going to be keeping the stalk on these ones because we want some quite long cuts. So the best way to cut this is flatten it. Make sure you've got a sharp knife and just cut down at a slight angle. And we're going to be doing this for both of them as well. Right, so now you've given that 2 minutes. Take the heat off, and what you can see, I've got a colander here in a bowl. Makes it easier to drain. And then just simply take it off. Pour it in. Get that cabbage and just pop it into a small mixing bowl like this. With that, we're going to add our chilies, our onion, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And we're just going to use our hands on this one to mix it about. Once you've done this, be sure to wash your hands. Just going to lay it on the plate like this. We're going to get our coleslaw. And we're just going to pop it on the top like that. Now we're going to lightly season with a bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. And now with our carrot, I'm going to get a peeler and we're just going to peel over the top. Just like so. And then we're going to get our coriander and just garnish like that. So there we have it guys, that is my vegan chili coleslaw. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.